Hey guys, we received this Tomtoc electronics organizer travel case for test and try. It's a water resistant travel bag for your cable organizer or essentials. You can just put everything in one pouch and then take it on your travel. So you don't have to bother or remember each and every cable or stuff. Just make one pouch and you can just use it at home or you can use it in your travel. Can be taken anywhere. So you can see inside is a very nice space with one zipper mesh and on different pockets, also like no stitching issues. It's primarily built in here. Zipper is very smooth, so you can just put in on your stuff in here. As I mentioned, you can also put in your this adapters, cables, mobile phone or anything. So then just putting in the stuff, you can be like more organized with the thing and just randomly throwing in stuff so that you can just see. um, and then this particular is very helpful. Just zip it off and then you can see a very organized one pouch with all your cables and things. So overall impression is a good quality, nice looking colors, and also a good useful stuff with the hand strap and things. So very nice travel pouch for your travel and take it anywhere you want.